Hello and welcome to the latest edition of Stockwatch as we begin this trading week on Monday the 23rd of August. So just looking at one stock in particular today, and that's Marks and Spencer's. That's the retail chain in the UK after, you could say, a disappointing retail sales figure in the UK last week where it actually dipped below 0% and it actually fell to 2.5% for the months of June and July, which is quite significant. Last week on the back end of the week, I reported on Morrison's having a big takeover confirmed in the region of billions of pounds, but now we're looking at Marks and Spencer's. Their shares have actually jumped up 12% in the latest session, and that's quite significant. We'll look at the chart shortly. The chain said there, while there has been an element of pent-up consumer demand in recent trading, there were signs that their turnaround in their recovery plan is working, and sales and profits have actually been boosted as well, and a good recovery is on the cards in that respect. So as I said, a bit of a role reversal in the UK sales, the unexpected sharp fall of 2.5%, and obviously this was the reason that we had quite a big descent in the last couple of months as well. The fall was partly due to weaker food and sales following the end of the football tournament of Euro 2020 as well. So they were hoping for quite a big boost in turnover, but didn't get it in the end. So Marks and Spencer, then, as I said, just looking on one stock today. We're just looking now on the daily chart with the assistance of the Ichimoku cloud. We've pierced the cloud. Prices are actually pushing to the upside now, and as you can see here, very far away from the cloud, so it does suggest that the trend is on the upside. It is actually quite positive. So I'll be looking at the next recent peak, which was roughly around the above the 170 zone at least, which is what we're trying to get to at the moment, and seeing if we can see a bit of a V-shaped recovery in that respect as well. If we don't penetrate this area here at the 170, then I expect probably prices to start coming down, and then I'll see if we can test the top border of the Ichimoku cloud once again. Here we can see a slight bearish divergence forming. I'll just take these drawings away to make it a little bit easier. So, slight bearish divergence forming on the RSI, which can hint at a bit of exhaustion on the daily chart at least. Let's bring it down to a 4-hour chart though, just to see what the opportunities are. And as I said, looking to see if we can get to this top range here. Not far away, nothing out of the ordinary here that suggests we can't have another push to the upside, but we are looking to see if it's going to actually penetrate higher and if we can actually get into that as well. So again, this bearish divergence is a little bit of cause for concern for bulls. Bears, on the other hand, look to see if we're going to have a little bit more of a downturn, and we'll see if it comes into fruition. So just a few things to look out for in the British market at least. Obviously the trading times and specifications are slightly different than the American time zone and the American stock, so just something to keep an eye out for there as we head into the first day of the trading week. We're coming at the end of August now, which is quite significant, so we'll see if that comes into fruition. So that's all from the Stockwatch today. Thank you very much for joining me. If you have any comments or queries, please feel free to add them to the post, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.